Kings community, my name is Raha and I'm coming to you from the King's Residence Lounge. I'm here with our culinary expert Jacob and he's going to show us how to make the perfect Christmas cookies.
Thank you for having me on the show today. I'm really excited to be here to make some delicious King's sugar cookies for the Christmas season.
Well, thank you, Jacob. I'm so excited to see how these cookies turn out. Let's get started.
Time to get started, time to mix these ingredients. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that you don't need to separate the dry and wet ingredients. All in one bowl is good enough. You got 1 cup of margarine butter. Ooh. And we're just gonna pour 1 cup of sugar in here. Perfect. And we just plop that bad boy right on in. Our next step will be to cream the butter and the sugar together, mixing it well in with the sugar. Holy, it's fighting me. Rauha, can you crack a couple eggs in for me?
Yeah, how many?
I'll need exactly 2 eggs.
Do you have any techniques for the eggs as well?
Nope, I just do it the way my mom taught me back. You just hit it on the bowl and you pop it open and pray a shell doesn't land in it.
I prayed and the shell didn't land.
That's perfect. 2. Minimal to no shell. That's what I like to see. And we'll just stir those bad boys right on in.
So what's next?
Next, we're just gonna keep on trucking with our ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 3 cups of flour. 2 and 3 perfectly even cups of flour. Now that all the ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix. Actually, Rauha, would you mind mixing this? I'm gonna get some of the other cookie prep stuff done.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix up some of these lumps. Mix.
Wow, Rauha, that looks fantastic.
Thank you.
It's time to get a roll on everything else, and we're gonna start by laying down some flour. All right, I can take that back now. Now that our ingredients are perfectly blended in our bowl, it's time to roll the dough.
Looks perfect.
Look how beautifully this just rolls right onto the surface.
Wow. Jacob, how long have you been making sugar cookies for?
This is actually my first time.
Oh, okay. You're doing really good.
Thank you, I know. And perfect.
Wow. And this is your first time?
First time ever. Now that the dough's rolled out, we're gonna need to cut our cookies. And to cut the perfect blue bullet cookie, you're gonna wanna use a perfectly circular object. Like me, I'm gonna be using this ceramic mug that you can buy at shop.kingsu.ca. But you can use whatever you have at home.
This is so cute.
Just gonna push, give it a little twist,
Okay.
and bada boom. A little twist, and
Bada boom.
perfect.
This is so therapeutic. And this mug feels amazing. I would buy one.
Now those are some perfect circles. And it's time to put these cookies on the tray.
So what do you do apart from baking?
Well, I'm actually just wrapping up a 4-year English degree at King's, and so I really love to read, I really love to write. I still do a lot of that in my spare time. I actually continue to contribute to the Ballyhoo, which is a student publication that allows all King students to let out their creative sides, you know?
Okay, how close are you to graduating?
I'll be done here in a couple of weeks.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
That's so exciting. Let's get these cookies into the oven.
I think you're right. Now that our oven is preheated to 350 degrees, we'll set these bad boys in.
Okay, 12 minutes. Now we wait. We can dance. We can shimmy.
Looks like these cookies are done. Time to get these bad boys out of the oven and time for the best part.
It smells so good.
Well, it's time to add the final touches to our cookies, and it wouldn't be a King's cookie without the King's crown. All right, Raha, let's get some icing on these cookies, and then I'll show you what to do with this crown.
Okay, I'm very excited for
Now that our cookies are iced, we're gonna put on the sprinkles. Rauha, would you like to do the honors of holding the crown? All right, just put the crown on this cookie right here and watch the magic. See, we take these sprinkles, we sprinkle them right over the crown, everywhere. And then when you lift the crown, just lift it right up.
Okay, you know what? I can kind of make out the crown, you know? I can kind of.
It's there.
You guys can see it, you know? So I think we're just gonna do the best thing, the best part, and taste it.
Eat the cookie.
Yeah.
Hey, I couldn't agree more. There might not be a crown, but it sure is delicious.
Well, that's it from us. Thank you so much for watching. On behalf of everyone at the King's University, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Take care, everyone.
We're gonna keep watching.
Oh, yeah.